Hi, my name is Aaron Grubb. I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Worth Law Office, and in this video we're just going to talk about the McGirt v. Oklahoma jurisdictional issue, and kind of our mini-series all about McGirt v. Oklahoma. So in this case, in this 2020 case, the defendant, McGirt, in his post-conviction relief case, argued that because he was a tribal citizen and his offense took place in Muskogee Creek Nation, that Oklahoma did not have jurisdiction, Oklahoma the state did not have jurisdiction to actually convict him of this crime. And rather it should have been through Muskogee Creek Nation or the federal government. And so the reason why this is an issue is because Oklahoma, if they do not have access to the My name is Aaron Grubb. I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Worth Law Office, and in this video we're going to talk about the jurisdictional issue in the McGirt v. Oklahoma case that came out in 2020. So in this case, we have the defendant, McGirt, coming up on post-conviction relief. And he argues that Oklahoma did not have jurisdiction to convict him of his crime, but instead, because he was a tribal citizen and his offense, his criminal offense, occurred on Muskogee Creek Nation tribal land, Oklahoma should not have been able to try and convict him, but it would have rather have been the Muskogee Creek Nation or the federal government actually having the jurisdiction to convict him. And this is because of a argument that, well, the tribes still have their reservations. And those are apart from Oklahoma. And so because the Supreme Court in McGirt v. Oklahoma decided that, yes, that is true. There are several, and specifically in McGirt v. Oklahoma, that the Muskogee Creek Nation, that reservation was never disestablished. It is still remaining today. Oklahoma has not done any steps to dissolve it, and especially the federal government or Congress have definitely not done any steps to disestablish the Muskogee Creek Nation reservation. Because that this reservation is still alive and well, the Supreme Court decided that, well, Oklahoma did not have jurisdiction over the defendant McGirt, and thus, effectively overturned his conviction. So if you have any other legal questions or have further interest in McGirt v. Oklahoma, please see us at Worth Law Office or visit our YouTube channel.